Look, and you imagine that that is your future, or like another parallel reality branching from this moment that's about to live your most optimum life. Okay?
Okay.
And then what you do is so you step forward, and just like in the movies, like nobody goes through a portal without like vertigo and like, so you definitely get that feeling. So you step to here and you go into the reflection, you get this like moment of vertigo, and then you'll go past it, and then you'll be in a wormhole. And then you turn back and enter your new reality. Like just where you are, like to the line. Okay, now imagine that your reflection is about to live your most optimum reality. Okay, now step forward and you'll feel yourself go through the portal. Keep going forward till you see yourself again. Now you're in the wormhole. Now turn back and enter your new reality.
That's amazing.
Okay.
Just what I wanted.
Go ahead. Okay, so step there. Now look at yourself and imagine that you is about to live your most awesome future. And now step forward into the reflection. And keep going till you see your normal reflection. Now you're in the wormhole between realities. Now turn back and enter your new reality.
That was disorienting.
Yeah, you get that feeling like
It was an actual portal.
yeah, nobody.
There's something going on here.
That's awesome.